and my fingers are just gliding through it. My hair doesn't feel hard. Welcome to Discovery Natural. If this is your first time watching our videos, please click the subscribe button down below and also click the notification bell so that you'll join our live chats and you can ask your questions one-on-one, and you can also see what is going on with other people's hair. Okay, I have not done a product review in a long time, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Coco Repair Deep Conditioning Treatment. Now this is a cocoa cream, coconut cream. I've actually had this for a while and I got it for $4.99 right over there, and I got it from my local outlet store. It's like Burlington. It's a thick consistency, yeah, so it's quite thick and it's very creamy. And the reason why I wanted to use it is I always got questions from people asking me, have I ever used it, have I ever tried it? And I said, well, why not? Like, why don't we just brave it? Okay, so this proves that it nourishes your hair and it stops damage and breakage, and it's also enriched with coconut oil and avocado oil, and it can help to soften your hair, shine, hydrate, and for brittle. So usually when I see things saying repair, damage, I know that it contains protein in it. And so we're going to look through the ingredients just to show you that it does contain protein. I need to peel this off, and part of the ingredients that are in it, we have, let's peel this off. I don't know why it's just stuck. They kind of, anyway, I'll just list the protein that is in here. And as someone that has low porosity hair, I have to be very careful what kind of protein I use in my hair. I have to be very careful. But your girl, I'm going to the danger side, and I'm going to be using heat in my hair. Yes, I'm going to be using heat in my hair. So what I've done already is I've already shampooed my hair, and my hair is already shampooed, and yeah, so I've already shampooed my hair. So I'm just going to section my hair into 4 parts, and then we'll start applying this cream to the hair. Have you guys ever used this before? Comment below, let me know. If you're going to deep condition your hair, some people will deep condition before the shampoo, but this product actually says, on clean damp hair, apply a generous amount of all over the hair. Make sure that it is well coated from beginning to the ends, okay? So you have to make sure that you coated it thoroughly, people, thoroughly. Don't be skimpy on it. So we're going to start with this section, and I'm going to just divide this section into a smaller section. So my hair is well detangled, and let's get closer. So this is the conditioner, this is the consistency. See, it's just a very creamy conditioner. And the reason why I chose it is because it's thick, but it's very creamy. And I didn't see protein too high in the ingredient list. Now, if you're someone that you have high porosity hair, then you do want to have protein in your hair, like use a lot of products with protein and things of that sort. But if you're someone that is low porosity, you want to try products that maybe they don't have so much protein or product. Yeah, see what I'm flinging, I lose hair. So you'll see me doing flinging hair. Okay, I'm not ashamed of my hair loss, and I talked about my hair loss due to what I was diagnosed with. So yeah, that's why I lose hair. So I do need things that will strengthen my hair. So now that I've put it in my hair, I'm gonna twist this away so that we know that we're done with this section, and then we're gonna continue working on the other section. So if you're low porosity, People will say, don't use protein in your hair, don't do that. The key thing is this: our hair is made out of protein, okay? And as we get older, as we manipulate our hair, as we do things to our hair, like using too much hair or something, we break down the bonds, you know, we lose some kind of protein in our hair. So we do need to, once in a while, use products that have protein. I'm not an advocate of, because I am low porosity, I'm not going to use protein in my hair. I will use protein in my hair. I actually use a protein shampoo from Kadima, and yeah, so I use that. If you want to see that, you can click that card that just popped up. So that is what I do. It has really helped my hair. Oh, look at that. It's like going through. Now I do not deep condition my hair and use my deep conditioner as a detangler, but some people have told me that they detangle their hair while they have the deep conditioner in there. So let's see if you can do that with this. Yes, you can with this product. Okay, let's see. Okay, oh, okay. Yeah, do you guys like product reviews like this? Comment below, let me know what product you want me to review next. I'm going to start doing more product reviews, and I'm going to start sharing my opinion on things, you know, especially more hair loss. Yep, that's how we do it. It's sad, but that's how we do it. Okay, so let me know what other products you want me to review. I'm going to continue applying this product to my hair, and then we will come back before I jump under the dryer. So I finished applying the product to my hair, and I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic cap and then sit under my little hooded hair dryer. Okay, I've had that hooded hair dryer for 23 years or 24 years, I can't remember, and it still works. So it's been 10 minutes, and you can see for low porosity hair that has difficulty with products penetrating, you can see the product sort of penetrated, and this is the state of my hair after the deep conditioner has been after the deep conditioner has gone through my hair. This is what it looks like. It's nice and soft, and my fingers are just gliding through it. My hair doesn't feel hard, it doesn't feel brittle, it doesn't feel any way. So this is what it looks like. We're gonna do the other side. So the other side is looking the same way, feeling the same way. My hair feels really good. I like this. I really like this. So yeah, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go rinse my hair, and after rinsing my hair, I'll come back and show you what my hair looks like. So this is my hair after I have rinsed it off, and it still feels very soft. Yeah, it feels really soft, really nice. The consistency of the product worked really well for my low porosity hair, and you can see it's, yeah, it feels nice and soft. It doesn't have that strong feeling, but it has more or less a softer feeling. So will I continue using this? I'm gonna keep on trying it. I'm gonna keep on using it for this month. Still shedding. Oh, God. Anyway, yeah. So have you guys ever tried this? Let me know, comment below. Thank you so much for watching this. I really enjoyed this process, and I feel like I should do more product reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the next video that I'm going to do is I'm going to be using heat in my hair. I've not used it in my hair in 2 years or so. I don't know. I've not used direct heat, you know, in my hair. So I'm gonna do it. So thank you so much, and we'll see you in next video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button right over there, and also watch these 2 videos, and hope you like it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.